Good morning. Welcome to the next session of temperature measurement. Let us consider the electrical temperature measuring instruments. So in these instruments, change in electrical properties of sensors are used for estimating the temperature. These are various types. So one is thermocouples and thermopiles, then the thermistors, and finally resistance temperature detectors. In this session, we are discussing about thermocouples. Thermocouples are based on Seebeck effect. When the junctions of two different metals are maintained at different temperatures, an EMF is produced in this circuit. So this EMF is measured using proper instruments, and that instruments are calibrated to give the temperature difference. So it consists of two different wires made of two different metals like this 1 and 2, and these two wires are forming two different junctions like this, and one junction is known as measuring junctions or otherwise known as hot junction. Other junction is known as reference junction or otherwise known as cold junction. So because of temperature difference between the hot junction and cold junction, an EMF is induced in this circuit, and that EMF is measured using this voltmeter. In construction, the two measuring wires, wire 1 and 2, are housed inside a metal sheath, and a hot junction is formed at the front end by welding the wires together. Then the other portion of these wires are properly insulated. Then lead wires or compensating leads are used to take this EMF to the measuring instrument, and the cold junction is normally formed inside the measuring setup. So in most commonly, either a millivoltmeter or a potentiometer is used as a measuring or indicating device. The figure shows the measuring probe of a thermocouple. Here the sheathing material is inconel, and the two wires are connected to form a hot junction like this. For measuring the temperature, this probe is made in contact with the portion to be measured. As in this picture, for measuring the temperature of a hot body, this hot junction is made it to contact with that hot body. Then the reference junctions will be like this. The reference junction temperature is normally kept at 0 degrees Celsius. Then an EMF is produced. That EMF is carried to either on a millivoltmeter or a temperature recorder. So in that it will either show the temperature or recorded the temperature. Since thermocouples are produced an EMF, these are known as self-powered and require no external form of excitation. Another thing is that they not actually measure an absolute temperature. They only give measure of temperature difference between 2 points, that is the measuring junction and reference junction. This table shows different types of thermocouples and the materials used for thermocouple construction. So in these types, here the B, R and S are known as noble metal thermocouples, and these thermocouples are used for measuring high temperatures, and in this the positive wire is made of various combinations of platinum and rhodium, whereas the negative wire is made of either platinum, rhodium, or by 100% platinum. And in another category is known as base metal thermocouples. These are that category, and this one is used for measuring normal applications, temperature of normal applications, and in which the positive wires are made with either with chromal or iron, copper, nigrosyl, etc. And the negative electrodes are made with alloys known as alumel, constantan, etc. And finally, the advantages of thermocouples are they have got better response, and it is used for measuring a higher range of temperatures. Then it is very easy to install. It is cheaper compared to RTDs. Then very convenient for measuring the temperature at one particular point. That is, direct contact is possible. Then in disadvantage part, the accuracy is low. Then the life is limited. Then expensive wire. If we are using platinum, that is very expensive. Then the main disadvantage is that the main point is that it requires a non-reference, because we need a reference junction and the temperature of that junction to be kept constant. Thank you for watching and stay safe.